Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have a small haul for you, but it is an important haul. So this is maybe a little bit of a commercial, let's say, but it is my Stampin' Up! Haul, and let me show you what all came in it. Again, it's only 2, 4, 5 items, but they're very important items to know about. So let me show you the first item that I got is a brand new Stampin' Seal Plus. So I needed a new one and decided to get the whole entire thing because I used my case for a refill of my regular Stampin' Seal. So now I needed a new Stampin' Seal Plus. So I grabbed that. I also picked up this pearlescent specialty paper. It is 12 by 12. And it is pearlized. And I thought that was so cool. When I was in high school, my dad had a truck. And I was like, Dad, could we paint the truck pearlized pink? And he's, no, that's my truck. I'm like, but I drive it to school every day. And he did not let me paint it pearlized pink. So let me show you. I did just get this, but I ordered it before the end of a celebration. So I got this In Your Words stamp set. It's the host stamp set. And I'm so excited because I'm going to be giving this away on my class that's an online class. And the online class is the one that we have every month. So demonstrators who are on my team get to go for free. If you are a customer who spends over $50, then you're invited for free. And if you purchase the Pretty Pumpkins bundle, which is the stamp set, isn't that beautiful? And then the dies that go with it. I gotta open these dies because they're so cute. And the deadline to order the Pretty Pumpkins is on the 10th of this month, so October 10th. And the reason I say to order it before then is so you get it on time for our class, which is the last Saturday of the month. So I'm pulling these guys out, and look at this. Look at this pumpkin. Is that adorable? Look at that pumpkin. What else do we have? This one right here is going to cut out these 3 pumpkins right here. What else do we have? This little guy looks like, what's that going to cut out? That's going to cut out these. And then we've got leaves. All kinds of stuff. Look at all that. Oh, this little one right here cuts out this one right here. And let's read here. It says, if friends were pumpkins, I'd pick you. The other greeting says, so thankful for you. And then the final one says, gather together. So you can actually make your Thanksgiving invitations with this gather together. So pretty. So let me know if you like this stamp set. And then, of course, if you do attend, you'll be entered into the drawing for the In Your Words door prize giveaway. So I am super excited. Had to tell you, share the Pretty Pumpkins with you. And again, if you buy this bundle, you will get an invitation as well. If you'd like to just join the Stamping Beauties family and become a demonstrator and just purchase your starter kit, and you will be invited every single month. All right, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!